Let us try this inequality problem. 3x plus 17 is less than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. So this is the given equation, given inequation or inequality. So we need to solve this inequation by finding out the value of x. Let us proceed step by step. So 3x plus 17, is it not? So 3x plus 17. So 3x plus 17, you can expand this. 3x plus 17 is equal to 2 into 1, 2. Expand it, and 2x. Now, what could be the next step? Our objective is to remove the constants on the LHS. Okay. So, you have got 2x here. You have to remove this 2x first. So, how to remove this 2x? By adding 2x on both sides. So, add 2x on both sides so that we get 3 plus 2, 5x plus 17 and then less than or equal to 2. So this is straight out. Now the 17 should be removed. So what can we do? We can add minus, is it not? So we can add minus 17 on both sides. So this can be straight out. Now we have 5x is less than or equal to minus 17 plus 2, that is minus 15. Okay. Now we have to remove the coefficient of x, that is 5 here, by multiplying by a positive number 1 by 5 or divide by 5 on both sides. Okay. Now what will I get? So 5x, 5 cancel, and what about this? Minus 3. Therefore x is less than or equal to minus 3. Now listen, solve the inequation. They have generally asked inequation. So we have to give the complete set of solution. So the solution set is equal to is, now it is less than, so you can put, and on this side it is an open interval, is it not? So you can put a bracket like this indicating that minus infinity to minus 4, minus 3, etc. Right? And you can put minus infinity and then up to minus 3, because it includes minus 3 also. It is less than or equal to. So you have to include minus 3. With that it is closed, because it is an, you have to put a square bracket like this. So what does it indicate? That is, it can start from minus infinity, means minus infinity, comma, minus 5 and so on, minus 4, minus 3. That's all. So with this it is closed. Okay. And that is why we put here an open interval, and here it is less than or equal to, so it is closed here. Okay. So simply it can be represented like this. Do you understand? Let us consider another problem. Solve the inequation. Solve the inequation 2x minus 3 divided by 4 plus 9 is greater than or equal to 3 plus 4x by 3. Now we need to show the graphs of solution on the number line. So show the graph of the solution. Show the graph of solution on number line. Okay, now let us proceed. So the given equation is 2x minus 3 divided by 4 plus 9, that is greater than or equal to what? 3 plus 4x divided by 3, right? Okay. Now let us, you got a 2x minus 3 divided by 4 on LHS, and you had to bring this to the left hand side. So what do you mean by this? You had to subtract that one. So that is the very idea, is it not? And so that you can take the LCM comfortably. Okay, so you have to remove this term so that you can subtract 4x by 3 on both sides. So 2x minus 3 divided by 4 minus 4x by 3. Now you have plus 9 greater than or equal to 3. So this can be striked out. Now I want to remove this 9. So add minus 9 on both sides so that you can remove. Okay. Now you can strike out. So 2x minus 3 divided by 4 minus 4x by 3 is greater than or equal to, here 3 minus 9 minus 6. Now what we are supposed to do? Take LCM on LHS. So 12. So it is, you can multiply, cross multiply. So 3 into 2x, that is 6x minus 9, and then 4 into 4x minus 4x, 16x, is it not? Right. And greater than or equal to minus 6. And we have to remove this 12. You can multiply by 12 on both sides. So it becomes, the 12 can be cancelled here, so that you get 6x minus 16x, that becomes minus 10x. Therefore minus 10x, and you have minus 9 greater than or equal to how much? 72, minus 72. Now the 9 should be removed by adding 9 on both sides. So 9, you will get minus 10x, 9 can be cancelled, that is equal to how much? Minus 63. So here you have to multiply, we want to find out x. So in that case, okay, so this is greater than or equal to. Remember, this is greater than or equal to. Now we already know, as per the rule, whenever you divide by minus sign, so that there will be change of sign. That is, the inequality sign is reversed. So that rule should be applied here. So this becomes what? That is less than or equal to. Are you able to follow? Now you can strike out. Okay. So let me proceed in the next page. So 10 can be cancelled, so minus or minus plus. So x is less than, the sign must be changed. So x is less than or equal to, so sign is changed here. Are you able to follow? And this is minus or minus plus, so 63 by 10 plus 63 by 10. So plus 63 by 10 means x is less than or equal to, you can leave it as such. So in that case we need to draw a number line. So draw a number line. Okay. Draw a number line. Now let me say this is 0 and this is 63 by 10, is it not? So 63 by 10 means it can be here. So 63 by 10 means 6.3 around, and this is the plus infinity, and this one is the minus infinity. Got it? Now we need to identify this is less than or equal to. Okay, so you had to put, because it is the less than or equal to, so this is the, okay, and starting from 0. So less than or equal to, this is the number line. Okay.